Okay, let us talk about the new Samsung One UI 9 beta. Is it actually worth installing on your daily driver right now? Honestly, I was pretty skeptical at first, but after playing around with it, I am actually blown away. This does not feel like a minor yearly update. It feels like the smooth software experience Samsung fans have been begging for. And trust me, I get it. Beta software usually comes with a ton of headaches, battery drain, random app crashes, weird lag spikes. We have all been there. But Samsung seems to be taking stability way more seriously this time around. The animations alone are ridiculously buttery. Everything just feels snappier when you are jumping between heavy apps. And the deeper AI integration with Gemini is finally starting to feel useful. It is not just a gimmick anymore. You can actually do multi-step tasks across different apps without the system choking up. That matters, seriously. Now, is it completely flawless? No, of course not. It is still a test build. At the end of the day, you are going to run into a few minor bugs here and there. Some bank apps might act up, a widget might freeze on your home screen. That is just part of the beta life. So if you rely on your phone for critical work every single day, maybe hold off just a little bit longer, or at least back up your data before jumping in. But if you love testing out new features early and you do not mind a tiny bit of roughness, this build is surprisingly solid. Samsung is really dialing in the user experience this year, and it shows. So, are you planning on downloading the One UI 9 beta, or are you waiting for the official public release? Let me know what you think in the comments.